Malawi, I'm so excited to be here. Thank you for having me in your beautiful country. This next song, I'm going to have to teach it to you, okay? Are you ready to learn? Give me some keys, please. Ready to go. Away, 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 to see. Away, 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 away. You sound so beautiful. Away, away, away. So I'm gonna sing this one for you, okay? Are you ready? Yeah. Say, Alpha, make you know the brother with me. What you wanna buy with me is Scotta like a mother. I do not like you when you be there flex with them girls that means you the flex. You the what? You gon' the vex. Yeah, on top say I no one stress. Yeah, so when you gonna, oh you can never be the man. Oh you can never be. Oh take away your trouble. Well I am to everybody. Away, away, Malawi, away, understand that won't be the girl that you spoke right. Cry about the man, they never came through. We be married all the time. Let's talk about for ya. Yeah, you talking by a chippy. Oh, you keep talking by a chippy. You sing. So when you gonna? Oh, you can never be the man. Oh, you can never be. Oh, take away the trouble. Sing it out for me. guitar. I'm gonna do an exercise, okay? Without the guitar. Away, away, take all your trouble. Away, away, take all your trouble. Say, take all your trouble. Away, away, take all your trouble. Take all your trouble. You sound too good. Please, can you reduce the delay in my voice? Let's do a bit of sound check, okay? Reduce the delay in my voice. In my mic, please. Reduce the delay. Give me some keys, come on. Let's do a bit of sound check, okay? Are you ready? Yeah, that is better, way better. Thank you very much. Let's do something, okay? You repeat after me. Hey, oh. Malawi say, hey, oh. Yeah, Malawi say, hey, hey, oh. Say, hey, hey, oh. Say, hey, oh. Hey, oh. Amazing, amazing. Thank you very much. DJ Carey, let's give them Beggy Beggy, come on. Are you ready to party?
Real quick, ladies, if you know you came to see Ayra Starr, let me hear you say ow. Alright, let's try the fellas. Fellas, if you know you came here to see Ayra Starr, let me hear you say yeah. Hey ladies, don't let the fellas do that to you. One more time. Ladies, if you came here to see Ayra Starr, let me hear you say ow. Alright fellas, let's see. If you came here to see Ayra Starr, let me hear you say yeah.
The next song we have. I know you're waiting now and hastily to you in my Panamera. I'm levitating, I feel that you see when you move. Waiting you put for it. Got my heart and my soul on love, and I wanna go crazy with you through the night to the sun. Let's do it all for love. Cause what if you any conqueror? I never wanna. To you I belong. This must be love. Come on, come on. having a good time?
Yeah, I hope you're not tired tonight. Can we leave? Are we done?
Should we leave?
You guys are done, right? Y'all finished?
Let's get the energy to 100.
That's it.
Malawi, I love you for this energy. I have a new record out, okay? And it's called Rhythm and Blues.
How do your fans right now?
I'm gonna teach it to you a bit, okay? Are you ready to learn with me? So I'll go like this. Carry you for my head and shoulder. Carry you for my head and shoulder. Carry you for my head and shoulder. Yeah. Malawi, make some noise. Waka for you, my knees and toes. Waka for you, my knees and toes. Waka for you, my knees and toes. Carry you for my. Waka for you, my. Hey, let's go. Hope you've had a great time tonight. Hope you've had a great time tonight. Before I leave the stage, I want us to do something I usually do at the end of all my shows. Okay? One of the fine girl beside you, want to say hi to, tell her hi right now.
There's a lot of fine girls, so don't be shy.
Tell her hi. Let me hear you say hi.
Fellas, I need you to do the same too. If you see a fine girl next to you, say hi. Okay.
So I want us to sing this song. This is a Whitney Houston song, Malawi, don't disappoint me. Okay? Come on, sing for me.
Put your lights out. Bring your phone lights out. Lights up, Malawi, lights up. Put up the lights.